Hey guys, this is Jason from Londio Laser. And today's video is about the handheld laser welding machine. And those are the cases of the laser welding machine. Right here, those are the empty cases. And those 10 sets, right here, those 10 sets are already packed up and ready to be shipped. Those one are already packed up. And here's one right down there. This one is in the testing phase. So look at here. In this machine, we open this case off, and here is the max laser generator and laser source, and down below is the Hanli water cooler. So Hanli is the brand name of the water cooler. And we go around like this way. You can see the red case here. The small one is the wire feeder. So open it up, and you can see the wire inside of this machine. Okay, and we take this up. This is the wire feeder head, and we can mount this wire feeder head onto the laser welding head. So you can see there's the vise. We can buckle it up right here and mount this like head, make them connected right down there. And when it starts to work, it start welding right here. So right here, this is the brief introduction about the handheld laser welding machine. And afterwards, we're gonna do some welding and cutting shows for you guys. Right there.